Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, Teacher Bhong. I have attended the launching of the school's Project Watch, and I have here I have something to do, and this one was a donation from the student. This is I have here the specimen, and I want it to mount on in a microscope. Actually, this specimen is willingly given to me by the student, and the identity is confidentially kept. For you to know what this specimen is, please watch till the end of this video. Shout out to my master na naghatan ako og hint for giving me the hint instead of using the cover sleeve. She told me to use both of the slides. Thank you, Ma'am Alma Tabasa. I have mounted the specimen already on the stage of the microscope, and I find it hard to mount in the sense that I don't have a slide and a cover slip. What I did is I used the two prepared slides and put them together, and here is the view under low power objective. Under the low power objective, using 15 times eyepiece, this is what you see. Can you see it? Let's expand. Can you see it? So that was the specimen under the low power objective using a 15 times eyepiece. I'll be using now, the next is I will be using now the high power objective, and let's try to see what's this is really. Actually, this specimen was given to me last 3 hours ago. No. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it was given to me because the class will be on 3 p.m. And until now, the specimen is still alive and kicking. So let's now try the high power objective. To grade 9 Gemilina, I'm sorry. You have not seen this specimen under the high power objective. So I was thinking to take a video of this so that you can see this later on when we meet next time on Wednesday. So here it is, grade 9 Gemilina. So this is it, grade 9 Gemilina. It's a larger one. For those na wala nakakita, for those who have not seen this, you may take a look at this. Oh, see? We will zoom this. Okay. So perhaps Princess, you now believe that it's alive and kicking. Okay, there you go. As to my part, for me, to my assessment to the one who gave me this one, I think you have the greater chance na makanak if ever you meet the one that you loved, you meet the one you prefer to be with forever. Because there are plenty, and it seems they are not weak, and they are really alive and kicking. They are strong, so there is a greater chance soon you'll have children. So you need to take care of this. Okay, to high school students, I want you to comment down what the specimen is in just one word. Please comment down the first three. The first three to comment down will be given a load. Just comment down, and again the first three will be given a load. Promise, I will give you load. Then just email me your data. Just send me your name, attach with you your high school ID, and your, of course, your number. Thank you. Cell phone number, I mean, for the load. Only first three, ha. And since it's already 5:37, I gotta go home because it's Friday and I have a lot to do things at home. Bye bye.